much pictures of the boat because I had a cider in my hand, and I had the glass in one hand and the bottle in the other hand, so I couldn't operate the camera. But the kid needed a little cider to boost me up. You know how it is here. So we're out in the boat, and there's the water on the side going by here. There's the inside. And I'm just taking it easy here, not doing anything special, just relaxing on the boat. We're not going to take a tour of the boat or anything. I have on my other Switzerland videos some other pictures of similar boats. This is a paddle wheel, but the paddle wheels are inside. You can go down inside and see the operation of the engine, but I'm too tired. It's too hot to do anything here. So I'm one man, has to relax every now and then. I can't be up and about doing bids constantly here. So relaxing time on the boat here. So it's the last day here. We got dinner this evening and be heading home tomorrow. Okay, see us later. Bye-bye. Well, coming up ahead is the Freddie Mercury statue, and they have flowers here, and Freddie Mercury, yep. And there he is, big statue, Freddie Mercury. We are the champions of the world, right there in Montreux, Switzerland. Here we go. People have left them flowers here. They're all very nice here. Here we go. A little closer look. I'm on this side here. Okay, we'll say bye-bye to Freddie. Bye-bye to Freddie there. Okay. See you later. Here's the fountains. Everybody going through there. You never know when the water's coming up. There we go. Everybody's in there. Grace went through there too. She's soaking wet.
Did you go in?
No.